When I receive a project request, I like to sort of think through these learner insights. So I might actually build that learner persona profile and then bring those kind of into a document that may look a little bit like this. I'll draft my learning objectives. I'll think about how I'm actually going to measure my success. But over on the right, we see, okay, let's talk about those goals and frustrations. How can I actually create what I like to call kind of a marketing twist for my learning objectives? So I'm not just going to say, by the end of this course, learners will be able to blah, blah, blah. I can say, hey, Mo, learn how you can really streamline your workflow and get your things done with this 10-minute long course. It's going to change your life, right? So how do I capture their attention? So this is sort of like my own sort of behind the scenes planning. You could definitely do something similar. Bringing this into your analysis piece would be really huge. Another way that we might start to think about learner personas is we get this information from time to time, especially those of us who are working in a more established company, those of us who are actually maybe even creating externally facing content, which I know is happening more and more and more in SaaS companies and even for sale companies. My former position, we were creating content that was up for sale. So using these more externally facing personas, the marketing team might come up with these for you. This is huge. This is just a different way. It's a different presentation of looking at the same information. Here we have Maria, we have Pat, we have Lucy, we have Joe. They're all personas for this company, Montoya Farms. They have different goals and different frustrations, but they're all customers of Montoya Farms. And so if you're lacking learner personas or user personas, you might want to look at your brand book. That might give you some insights. It's not necessarily to say that, hey, just because, say, Pat is on here, that Pat is going to be my internal customer, my internal learner. Not quite, but it helps you to sort of start to understand the idea of personas just a little bit better.